Welcome class of 2016 to Digi Lit. Information and Digital Literacy is the full name for the course that you're going to be taking with me, Mrs. Thomas. Every 7 days you're going to be coming into the library to have class with me, and I just wanted to go over the very first assignment that's going to be due your first class with me, your first official class with me. So I'm going to start you guys off by showing you how to get to my course website. If you're on the bishopsang.com homepage, you're going to want to go to where it says faculty at the top of the page, and under faculty websites by department, if you click on that link, my name's listed under English and Fine Arts because we're doing this class through your English classes. It's in alphabetical order, so I'm the last one listed. If you click on that, you're going to get to my website. This website will have any class announcements, your class schedule so that you know when you're coming in to see me next, and I update that on a regular basis so it's always up to date. Class assignments and homework, you need to be checking that on a regular basis. And course information is going to give you course overview, the course expectations, which you are expected to read through, and the course curriculum to give you an idea of what we're going to be doing in the course throughout the year. For now, I'm going to go back to the home page, and what I want to draw your attention to, specifically the point of this screencast video, is the class assignments and homework link. So if you click on that, this homework, as I said, homework number 1, is due before your first or by your first Digi Lit class. And just to save a little bit of time, I'm doing this as a video rather than taking up your teacher's time to go through what I expect you to have done for your first class. So the first thing is to read through the course expectations, which I showed you already back under here under course information. There's a PDF document that says course expectations. You need to read through that, and that explains all the homework policies, class policies, grading, things like that. The second thing I need you to do is on pages 30 to 32 of your student handbook, which you guys received last week or the week before. You need to read the Roseanne Barker Library and Learning Commons guidelines, again on pages 30 to 32. Once you read through those, you need to print out the this PDF. It's a rules contract, which basically just says, if you click on it, I'll open it and show you, that you've read and understand all of the guidelines and you will do your best to abide by these guidelines. All right. Try to close this somehow. There we go. Okay. The third thing is that you need to take the Trails assessment. This is an assessment that's going to give me an idea of where you all stand with your information literacy skills. So your library and research skills. You're all coming from different schools, and so this assessment will give me an idea of where we stand and what types of skills and lessons we need to work on in order to improve your information literacy skills. So all you do is you click on this link here, and by the time you watch this video, you will have received a 4-digit code. When you're at that, when you go to that web link, you put in your 4-digit code and it will open up a 25 multiple choice quiz for you. Okay, and then you just submit that, and I receive the data and I look at it. The fourth thing I need you to do is I need you to send me an email. I need you to go into first class and just send me an email. This is in an effort to get to know each and every one of you a little bit better. I have a lot of students' names to learn, and I have a lot to learn about each one of you. So I would like you just to send me an email as simple as "Dear Mrs. Thomas," and the body of the text should include a paragraph, and it says it here, including where you live, 3 interesting facts about you, and then a second paragraph explaining what you hope to learn from Digi Lit. And then please close with a proper closing, so sincerely and then your name. And one of my pet peeves, and you'll learn this about me, is spelling and grammar and punctuation. please make every effort to have the spelling, grammar, and punctuation be 100% perfect. I will take points off if things are misspelled or there are careless errors in the spelling or grammar or punctuation. The final thing is I need you just to complete the survey, and this is a super, super fast 3-question survey using a tool called SurveyMonkey. I just am trying to get an idea of how many of you guys have your own email addresses, your own Twitters, your own Facebooks, your own laptops, your own iPads, and whether or not you can bring these devices into school with you. This is just going to help me, again, kind of organize myself when it comes to getting ready to teach this class. And I want to tailor everything as much as possible to what you guys already have and what your needs are. So this is just going to give me more information to make me a better teacher and to help you guys hopefully learn better too. All right, I think that's all for now. Just know that I am very, very excited about the year. We had a great first year of this class last year. I think all of this year's sophomores really enjoyed the class, and I certainly enjoyed it because I got to know each and every one of the students. And I'd never been able to do that before. As a librarian, it's hard to learn everybody's names, but this course was such a great opportunity for me, and I think for you guys, you're going to like it a lot. It's going to help you a lot with not just English, but you'll notice that you carry over a lot of these skills into the other classes, whether you realize it or not. So anyway, I will be back for more screencasts soon, and I will look forward to meeting each and every one of you guys, hopefully in the next week or so.